My dear students, I don't have any pen and paper, but I can solve this problem without pen and without paper. See, this is the toughest topic where the children used to feel, and most of the, I think thousands of students will ask these problems, like energy stored in the capacitor. Okay, what is the question? You just try to understand first of all the question here. The question is, there are two capacitors C1 and C2. They are having same capacity. First, C1 is connected to battery. Okay, C1 battery. After what happens, to C2. Okay, then how much energy is lost by C1? That is the question here actually. Okay, the simplest answer for this is, you can just see, I'm getting laugh by seeing the solutions of these textbooks. Okay, see here, this is C1, this is C2. In the problem it is given that both are same. Okay, both are same. You can just see two identical capacitors is telling, both are same. So once, for example, this capacitor absorbs 100% of potential energy from the battery. Again, if it is connected to C2, when it is connected to C2, what happens? As they are having same capacity, they are equally dividing. That means 50-50 they are getting divided. So 50% is the answer. Do you think you have to solve the problem? Can't you say the problem by seeing just the concept? Why you need to solve the problem? You can just solve the problem without pen and paper, like biology, chemistry, biology and zoology. Select the correct option. Just it is dividing 50-50, that is 50% will be the loss. That's it. Hope you have enjoyed. My dear students, do you think you have to solve this problem? Okay, but I can solve this problem without pen and paper, with empty-handed. Okay, without any pen and paper I can solve this. The physics problem of capacitors, where children will think this is the toughest problem. Students will think this is the toughest problem. They need to solve, but I don't solve. I just see and tell the answer. How? Let me see. See, this is a capacitor of 2 microfarads which is connected to the potential, isn't it? After this gets charged, after some time this gets charged, again this is connected to second switch. That means the potential which has been absorbed by this capacitor is divided among these two. As this is 2 microfarads and 8 microfarads, they are getting divided in the ratio of 2:8. That means this capacitor will donate 80% to this capacitor and 20% will keep with it. So 80% is a loss, that's it. It donates 80% to 8 microfarads because the ratio is 2:8. That means they divide among them in the ratio 20% is to 80%, 20 is to 80, that's it. So simple it is. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much.